What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're back at our 1977 Chevy pickup truck and we finally got our final part in for the brakes. Let's install this final part and maybe do a test drive later in the afternoon. Okay guys, so we almost finished installing our brake divider, but then we noticed when we took out the old one off that this line doesn't get any brake fluid. So we checked this line, we blew it through with compressed air, and unfortunately somewhere in the line it got blocked, so we need to make a complete new line. Okay guys, so we're a couple of days down the road and as you can see we got brand new calipers because the old ones were completely stuck, and for the price of the new one we just go ahead and get new brake calipers because the rebuild kit was almost as expensive as a new brake caliper. We didn't want to go through the hassle to show you putting on brake calipers all over again and bleed the brakes again. It's now time to see if our gas tank will fit this car so we can drive it around easily. Okay guys, so we got the fuel tank mounted and now it's time to attach all the hoses. Okay, so we got a ton of work done. We installed the fuel tank, run all new hoses to the front to the fuel pump, we run brand new wires for the battery. So let's fill her up with fuel, let's install the radiator again with water, and let's see if she will run. Take 2. Okay guys, she runs amazing. Now it's time to hook up the water. Okay guys, so she is shifting, she is driving, she is braking. I think we need to build her up furthermore to do a proper test drive. Also put the steering pump on, because these guns are very sore from that little drive. So we still have a long way to go, but she runs, she drives, she stays cool. So with that being said guys, this is the end of this video. If you like our videos and you want to see more builds, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well, so you don't miss out on any new video. Thank you for watching, thanks for all the love and support, and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.